Now we are going to start exercise 15b. This is question number 1. This is a triangle ABC where A is equal to 75, B is equal to 45, and we have to find ACD. That means this exterior angle. Okay, this angle we have to find. To find this angle, we have to previously find this angle. Okay, whenever we will find this interior angle, after then we can find this exterior angle. So how we can find this angle? Okay, now see, in triangle ABC we already know that sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value of A and B. A is equal to 75 and B is equal to 45 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now here 75 plus 45 is equal to 120. This angle C is C, 180 is 180. Now we will shift the value. Angle C is angle C, 180 is 180. This 120 will shift to the right side, so this will become minus 120. Now angle C is equal to 180 minus 120, that means C is equal to 60 degree. So what we have find? We have find this C angle. This is interior angle, and we have to find exterior angle ACD, not ACB. Okay. Now again we know that sum of angles in any straight line is always equal to 180 degree. That means यहाँ पे जो एंगल्स हैं इनका सम कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. नाउ वी कंसीडर 180 डिग्री सम ऑफ दिस एंड दिस. दैट मीन्स एंगल ACB प्लस एंगल ACD इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. This and this angle is equal to 180 degree. ACB is 60 degree and ACD is equal to 180 degree. This is 60, this is ACD, and this is equal to 180. Now ACD is equal to 180 minus 60. So this will become 120. Okay, now you can see again diagram. Firstly we find this C, and after then we subtract this C from 180 so that we can find this exterior angle ACD. ACD is equal to how much? 120. Okay. This is our second diagram, that means question number 2. I am not going to solve it, I am just giving some hints about this. Okay. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे इनका सम एंगल C एंड एंगल Y इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स वी विल फाइंड फर्स्टली एंगल Y. हाउ वी विल फाइंड? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 130 फ्रॉम 180. आफ्टर देन वी विल फाइंड दिस Y. दैट मीन्स 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So Y will become 50. After then we will apply the property of sum of all angles is equal to 180. That means 68 plus 50 plus x is equal to 180. By using this property we can find x, that means angle A. By using this we can find x and y both. Okay, this is hint for question number 2. Question number 3 is also same. We have to apply same method in question number 3, so you can also solve that question. Okay. Next question is 4. This is given that an exterior angle is 110 degree. The ratio of its opposite angle is 2:3. Find angle of triangle. Okay. That means we have given this angle 110 and its opposite angles are 2:3. So I am considering 2x and 3x. Its opposite interior angles are 2x and 3x, and now we have to find angle A, B and C. So firstly we will find this angle. Okay, after then we will find A and B. So here we know that sum of angles at any straight line is equal to 180 degree. That means this angle and this angle will be equal to the 180 degree. So we can write angle ACB plus angle ACD, that means this and this, is equal to 180 degree. ACB and ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now ACD is already given, that means 110, so we will put ACD is equal to 110. ACB is equal to 180 degree. Now angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 110, so ACB is equal to 70 degree. That means we have find this angle. This is 70 degree. Now we again will apply some property, angle sum property of triangle. That means sum of all angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, where C is equal to 70 degree, A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree, 2x plus 3x plus C is equal to 70 degree is equal to 180. Now 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, 70 is 70, 180 is 180. Now 5x is equal to 180 minus 70. That means 5x is equal to 110. Now x is equal to 110 upon 5. After dividing, this will become 22. So we have find the value of x. X is equal to 22. Now we will put this value in angle A and angle B. Since A is equal to 2x, that means 2 into 22. So this will become 44. Now B is equal to 3x. 3 into 22. That means 66 degree. So now this is 44 and this is 66, and we have already found angle C is equal to 70 degree. So these are the angles of triangle ABC. And one more important thing is that question 8 is also same as this question 4. Okay, so you will solve question 8 by using the same method as we used in question number 4. Now question number 5 is also same as we have solved in question number 4, but little difference is this: there was given ratio 2x and 3x, and here this is given that its interior angles are equal. So we have to consider same value, that means x and x. In question 4 we have considered 2x and 3x. Okay, but here we have considered x and x, and we will follow the same method as we used in question number 4. By using that method we can find angle A, B and C. Okay. This is our question number 6. According to this question, some angles are given, like there is given angle A, this is angle B and this is angle D, and we have to find angle ACD, that means ACD, that means this angle. And next is AED, AED, that means this angle E. Okay, so how we can find C and D? To find this C, firstly we will find this C. Okay, so how we can find this C? Now we will apply some angle sum property of triangle. So firstly take triangle A B C. Okay, and in this triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A is equal to 25, B is equal to 45, angle C is equal to 180 degree. So 25 and 45 is equal to 70. This is plus 3 and this is equal to 180. Now angle C is equal to 180, and this shift will to the right side, so this is minus 70. Now C is equal to 110. That means angle ACB is equal to 110, and we have to find this C. We have find this, हमें ये मिल गया है बट हमें ये find करना. Okay, so how we know that sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. That means angle ACB and angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now this is 110, this is ACD, and this is 180 degree. Now shift 110 to the right side. That means ACD is equal to 110 minus 180 minus 110. That means angle ACD is equal to 70 degree. Okay, we have find ACD. ACD. We have find this C is equal to 70 degree. Okay, after then we will find this E, or after getting this E we can find this E. Okay, keep in mind we have find this, हमें C मिल गया है. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ का एंगल फाइंड करेंगे, और जब हमें ये एंगल मिल जाएगा तो हम 180 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें E एंगल मिल जाएगा, दिस E. So now I am taking this angle CDE. Okay, in CDE angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. When we put the value of C and D, we can find this E. Okay, now see here. Now see, angle C plus angle D plus E is equal to 180 degree. C is 70, D is equal to 40, and angle E is equal to 180 degree. Now this is 110 plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. So angle E is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. That means we have find angle E is equal to 70 degree. But we have to find not CED, not CED. We have to find exterior angle of CED. Okay, that means AED. We have to find AED. So we know that any straight line sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So this 70 will be subtracted from 180, and after that we will find AED. So 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So this is our AED. For this you have to see in diagram. Okay, now see in the diagram. See, we have find E. That means this E is equal to 70 degree, and after then I am subtracting this 70 from 180 because sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. That means this E. Okay, this is question number 7, and this is our given diagram. By seeing this diagram we have to find ACD. That means ACD, this C D. Okay, that means this C, and we have to find again ADC. That means ADC, that means this angle, and third is DAE. DAE means this angle. Okay, so we will start from first. What ACD? ACD, it's very easy to find because this angle is given. Okay, so we will subtract this 110 from 180 so that we can find this C, because we know sum of angles at straight line is equal to 180. That means sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now ACB is 110, ACD don't know, is equal to 180 degree. ACD is equal to 180 minus 110, so is equal to ACD is equal to 70 degree. That means we have find this 70 degree. Now we have to find this D angle. So we will apply some property. This is 50, this is 70. So we can find this D by subtracting the sum of these two angles from 180. Now see, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. This is given, and this is, we have find 70, D is D. Now this is 120. 50 plus 70, 120 plus D is equal to 180 degree. Now D is equal to 180 minus 120. That means D is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so we have find this D. Now we have to find this A angle. Okay, how we can find? I am discussing here in the next page. Now see, to find EAD, okay, to find this angle, we have to find this angle also. Okay, so firstly we will find A. This is 50 and this we will find A. After finding A, we will add this angle 50 plus A, and after then we will subtract the sum of these two angles from 180, because we know that sum of all these angles is equal to 180 degree, because this is a straight line. Okay, straight line पे बने सारे angles का sum कितना होता है 180 degree. So firstly we have to find this A. Okay, after then we will add 50 plus A, जो भी वैल्यू होगी कि उसको ऐड करेंगे और 180 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. इन दोनों के सम को 180 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे हमें ये एंगल मिल जाएगा EAD. Okay, so I am solving here. See, to find angle A, I am taking triangle ABC. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. A don't know, but B is given 40 and C is given 110. Now 40 plus 110 is equal to 150, and this is 180. Now angle A is equal to 180 minus 150. That means angle A is equal to 30 degree. Now we have find angle A, and we have to find EAD. So how? We know that sum of angles at any straight line is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means see in your diagram and match from there BAC plus CAD plus DAE is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles at any straight line is equal to 180 degree. This is 30 we have find, and this is 50. Okay, this we also have find, and we have to find DAE. This is 180 degree. Now 30 plus 50 is 30 plus 50 is 80. DAE is equal to 180. Now DAE is equal to 180 minus 80. That means 100. So this is our second solution of 7th part, question 7. DAE is equal to 100 degree.